Good morning everybody, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to the channel. Right, today's little video, I've got a treat for you. We went to a garden centre yesterday and I started recording a video, but to tell you the truth, I wasn't impressed with it. So me and Keith brought some some pickles and jams. I keep saying chilli and jams, some pickles and jams. So come on over and have a look what we're doing. Right, here's what we brought. We brought a traditional farmhouse pickle, a sweet chilli jam, a sweet apple chutney, a cheesemaker's pickle, luxury raspberry jam and classic lemon curd. We're going to be trying the pickles with some cheese and Keith's going to be trying the jams with some scones because we all know he absolutely loves scones. And I'm going to put the price of how much they were up on the screen now. Right, we're going to get up the table and we're going to give this a try.
Got a taste tester.
Mr. Old Food Guy in to help me with this taste test this morning. Right, what should we start with first?
You do what you want, Bab, because...
Should we start with the...
Just go down the line, I reckon.
Yeah. Right. First up is sweet apple chutney.
Sweet apple chutney.
Thank you.
I'll open it. It's your channel, so you can do the smells and all that sort of stuff. Oh, potent.
Yes.
Very potent.
Very... Oh, gosh.
Oh, God.
Very vinegary. Takes your breath. Yeah. Very vinegary.
It is very vinegary, isn't it?
Yeah. Mm. Right. We're just going to try some on a little slice of cheese. So I'll go first. The consistency is like...
Jelly.
Jelly.
It's a bit like jelly, isn't it?
That's what it's like.
A bit like jelly.
I don't like the smell of it. It reminds me of an overpowered Branston pickle.
I love chutneys and all that, though, I do.
It might taste nice, just because it just smells a bit overpowering. It might taste nice, so...
Go on. Together.
That is just an over-sweetened version of Branston pickle.
Yes. I was going to say that.
It doesn't...
But it's got like a little smoky taste to that, to me. A sweet smoky taste. You feel that?
Mm-mm.
No?
I've just got the sweet Branston pickle taste. That's all I've got. But everyone's different, aren't they? So, does it say it's smoky?
No. Cider vinegar. Maybe that's what I can taste.
Vinegar.
That's not smoky, but... And that might be the spices, actually. The spices in it. So it's a bit like cinnamon or something, I think.
Now you've just said that, let me just have... Sometimes I can't tell on one bite. I have to have a couple.
Might be the cinnamon in there or something like that in there. Just say spices on the jar. Might be like a cinnamon or something in there.
I can taste it now.
Maybe not spice, more of a cinnamon.
To tell you the truth...
I quite like that. I think that's
I
alright.
like it, but to me it's just...
It's not, I don't think it's... I think I've had better.
It's just a version of Branston pickle, but sweeter.
Yeah, but it's a chutney.
But it's a chutney.
It's a chutney, not a pickle.
Right. Cheesemaker's pickle.
Cheesemaker's pickle.
Can you do the honours, please? I'll keep going to open them like I can open the lids.
I do quite like that apple one, to be honest with you.
That is,
I think it'd be nice with a Playman's.
I think it'd be really nice with a Playman's. This has got more of a reddish colour to it. Don't really get a smell. It's very thick.
They are quite thick, aren't they?
Yeah,
some of them you get at the shops are really like...
runny.
A bit runny, aren't they?
Yeah.
These are thick.
Let's try this one. Right, it's Cheesemaker's pickle.
Cheesemaker's pickle.
Oh no, don't like that one. Oh no. Oh no. Oh.
That tastes like a jam to me, that.
Oh, I don't like that.
It's a bit like a jam.
That one tastes smoky to me. Yuck.
I like that one as well. I like all pickles though, to be honest with you.
Oh no, I wasn't a fan
but
of
that
that
tastes a bit like a jam to me, not so much as a pickle. I can't read it properly.
The writing's so small on them, that's why I haven't
I
read
quite
it.
like that one as well.
I can't.
I'm looking forward to these.
Ah, do you know why it is? I can just about read that. Cheesemaker's pickle with rhubarb and blackberries.
I said it tastes like a jam.
No, I don't like
Yeah,
that.
tastes like a bit like a jam.
Right, I'm going to have to wipe my fork.
Blackberry jam or something.
Yeah.
Next.
Traditional farmhouse pickle.
These are one of the favourites that I go to.
Thank you. Vinegary. Vinegar. It's very thick.
Get a big lump so I can get a good taste.
I like that. Yeah, I like that. That's nice. Pickle with carrot, onion and swede. That's nice.
That's the worst one out of the three, I think.
Which one?
I've
This
had
one?
Yeah, I've had a lot better farmhouse pickles than that. A lot better.
Do you like that one?
I prefer the other two compared to that. That's my third favourite so far.
Right.
But it's all right. But I've had a lot better. A lot better. Sweet chilli jam. Everybody loves a sweet chilli jam. Which they are probably good on toast then.
Yeah.
I'm driving that one.
Yeah, please.
But I say everyone's tastes are different on everything you have,
Yeah,
aren't they?
Not really got a smell.
I don't know if a sweet chilli jam would go with cheese. I suppose it would, wouldn't it? I suppose. I don't know. I've never had it with cheese, so.
It goes with chicken and everything, don't it?
It goes with a lot of stuff, yeah.
Could have it on crackers, couldn't you?
Yeah, crackers, I suppose. I usually have it like sweet chilli jam and that, like with, say, chicken and that.
That's nice, but I've had better. Can't really get any taste from it. No.
Nando's is 100 times better than that.
I was trying to
100
think of
times
one.
better than that.
I was just trying to think of that one.
The Nando bottle ones, 100 times better. It's very mild, that is, isn't it? I've got a little bit of a kick for sweet chilli, but that's all I'm getting.
Do you know what though? Now I've read the ingredients, it's just sugar and red peppers, white wine vinegar. So it hasn't really got. Where's the chilli in it?
It's probably got the chilli seasonings in there.
Jalapeno chilies.
Yeah, it's got the chilies in there somewhere.
Demerara sugar.
Try again.
Try again.
It's nowhere near as good as the Nando's up the
No,
shop.
I prefer Nando's over this one. Right.
Okay, that's them. That's my worst one so far.
That's your worst one. That's your next worst
I
one.
like the sweet apple. Cheesemakers as well. That's my order so far.
That's your order.
Sweet apple, cheesemaker, farmhouse, and the sweet chilies last.
Mine's that one. That one. That one's last. But do I think they're worth the money? No, I don't.
No, I don't think they're worth the money.
I think it's
Three
overpriced.
for £6.49.
Yeah.
It's quite expensive, isn't it?
I think it's overpriced. Just.
You can buy the actual big jars. I think the jars are about £2 each up Tesco or something. You know what I mean? So you're getting 3 big ones for £6 as well.
Yeah, don't think they're worth the money.
Oh, favourites time. I need to get my cottage cream.
Oh yeah, we've got some Clyde cream as well.
Oh yes.
He's got to do it properly, I told him. Yeah, a bit disappointed in them pickles. Chutneys, pickles. Let's see if these jams
I
are any
absolutely
better.
love scones.
Oh yeah, you do, don't you?
I do, yeah.
I was going to make the cheese.
Yeah, you eat them.
Because I love cheese.
And lemon curd. I love lemon curd, and it's one of the things I rarely have in it, Bab. I rarely have lemon curd.
I love lemon curd. Absolutely love it.
Give that a good mix.
You're the scone expert, so that's why I wanted you to do this bit.
Now, if it was me, I would put butter on my scones first, but I'm not going to be messing around.
Let's see if these are going to be
Right.
any better. Which one are you going for first?
I'm going to put my cottage cream on first, actually. I should have got a knife.
Eating this in the morning.
I know. Should I get a knife?
Got a knife here.
No,
Got
you're
one.
right. No, you're right. I'll get one now. And we'll put that one on the lid, and we'll do them vice versa. Eh? Keep everybody happy. Right then. Let's go for this luxurious raspberry jam. You like a jam, don't you, on toast?
I do
don't
like
you?
jam on toast, I do admit. I love a jam on toast.
You ever try your jam first, Bab?
That smells nice.
Just smell, I can smell that straight away. As soon as you open that, I can smell it.
Oh yeah, you're going to like that.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Is that an oh yeah?
That's really nice.
I need to get a little spoon.
It's nice and sweet.
Actually, I'll get knives.
But do I think it's luxury raspberry jam? No, it's not luxury.
Let's get some. I need more jam than that, don't I? It's gone. I need to have lots in there. You gotta let you having a scone, Bab.
Oh yeah, just tuck in, sweet.
Let's have a crack.
Savouring for your dinner later.
I'll be eating scones. There's 2 more in the pack.
You like that raspberry jam?
Oh, I like that raspberry jam.
That raspberry jam, it is nice. It's nice and sweet.
It's not, as you say.
It's not luxury though.
It's not.
I don't think it's luxury.
It's got a nice flavour.
Oh yeah, it's got a nice flavour.
Have I had better?
I think I have.
Probably have,
Yeah.
yeah. And bigger jars as well.
And the home brands from like Aldi and stuff. So I don't think it's luxury, and I don't think it's like
No,
unique.
I think sometimes if you buy like the Aldi specially selected,
Yeah,
it's as good as that.
yeah. I don't think it's a unique
No.
luxury jam. Right, onto the lemon curd now.
This is what I'm waiting to try.
yeah, sorry.
This is the one I'm waiting to try.
I ain't had lemon curd for years. For years and years.
You have a go first. I haven't.
Oh, it's really thick.
I love lemon curd, I say.
Doesn't really
But I'm not a big lemoner. You know what I mean? So if it's really overpowering, I won't like it.
Oh, that's nice.
Nice.
Oh yeah, I like that.
Oh, it's a bit.
I thought it was thick, but it's
No,
not.
it's not. It's
very
quite runny. It's quite
runny.
runny. It's quite runny.
Classic lemon curd. It's very sticky as well. Very sticky.
Squash that together. Here we go.
I think it's missing some flavour.
The lemon curd you get from like Tesco's, even the cheap one, has got more flavour in that. More flavour. A lot more.
It hasn't got that zing what you get with
No,
lemon curd.
it's a very mild one, isn't it, that?
There's no zing to it. I'm a bit disappointed with that one actually. Now I've had 2 tastes of it.
Is it nice? Yes, but it's not
It's not zingy.
powerful enough, is it?
When you
For
have
the
lemon curd,
is
you
it?
like to go, oh, lemon curd. So, 3 chutneys, or pickles, and 3 jams for £6, whatever it was. I think it's an absolute rip-off.
£6.49 for 3.
Or was it? And we went to Dobby's Garden Centre.
Dobby's Garden
Shenstone,
Centre.
in Shenstone, so...
Would I buy them again?
No.
No, I wouldn't.
No, I wouldn't. But I wanted to have a look around the food hall because it said it was a new updated food hall. And I seen them and I thought, oh, these might be something really special, but they're not. So just save your money because I don't think they're
Yeah,
anything
I'd just
special.
go to the supermarket.
I would
Get
as
bigger
well.
jars.
I would as
Right,
well.
I'm going to leave you to it. I'm going to eat my scones. See you later, everybody. You ate this guy.
Thank you for doing that. So, yeah, I don't think some of these products that are in these garden centres, I don't think they're worth the money. I just think yesterday was a complete and utter letdown in that garden centre. Everything was overpriced. I mean, there was 20 garden lights for £70 as well. It was just like, and there wasn't much choice or much variety. But apparently they'd had a update on their food hall and everything. But honest, I wouldn't even bother wasting your money on these. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.